Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to talk about 6 success tips from entrepreneur that can seriously change the game for you. If you are planning to start your own venture or you are already in the hustle, trust me, this video is for you. And guess what? We are not going to talk about any random tips. These are ones straight from some of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world, both from India and globally. So let's dive into it.
Namaste Bharat.
Tip number 1. Focus on the big picture. Now we all know Honorable Ratan Tata Sahib, right? The man who took startup groups to the global height. His advice is clear and loud. As an entrepreneur, you have to think long term. Don't get bogged down by day-to-day struggle. The real success comes when you focus on the bigger vision. Tata says, I don't believe in taking right decision. I take decision and then make them right. It's about trusting your vision. Even if the going gets odd, keep your eyes on the long-term goal and take calculated risk to get there. Focus on your purpose, not just profit. Since what is the purpose of the thing you are doing? What is the purpose of startup you are doing? Is it valuable for society? Is your startup helping people? So Tata says, focus on your purpose, not just profit. Don't just chase profit, chase purpose. Tip number 2. Fail fast and learn fast. This one is straight from master himself, Elon Musk. If there is any one thing that defines Musk's success, it's his ability to fail, learn and pivot faster than anyone. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. This approach by Elon Musk means don't be just afraid of mistakes. The faster you fail, the faster you learn and the quicker you can improve your business. It's about embracing failure and learning from it and moving ahead with more wisdom. And always remember, every setback is a setup for your comeback. Tip number 3. Customer first. Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance, always said, think big, think fast and think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. One of his key philosophies was putting customer at the heart of everything. In business, if you are not focused on solving real problems for customers, you'll be left behind. Ambani built Reliance by understanding the pulse of his customers and staying ahead of the competition. So if you are planning to start your business, understand your market deeply and prioritize your customer satisfaction. Solve problem and create values. Tip number 4. Consistency is the key. Let's talk about Steve Jobs for a minute. Jobs revolutionary tech, and one thing he consistently emphasized was consistency in product quality and innovation. Innovation distinguished between leader and the follower. For Steve, it wasn't about the big splash moment, but the consistent effort to push the boundaries of technology. Whether it was the iPhone, iPad, or the MacBook, Steve made sure his products were consistently made top tier. So, whatever your business is, make sure you are putting effort day in and day out. Don't wait for perfect movement. Be consistent in your action. Tip number 5. Hustle and patience. Indra Nooyi, the former CEO of PepsiCo, has been an inspiration to many. She said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Now here's the catch. She balanced two things perfectly. Hustle and patience. It's not just about grinding yourself 24/7, but also having the patience to see your efforts pay off. Building a business takes time, but if you are hustling with intention and vision, you will eventually get there. Noori's journey is perfect example of being persistent yet patient with your goals. Success is not about instant result. It's about staying committed. Tip number 6. Surround yourself with the right team. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, swears by this one. He said, you need the right people to get things done. Building a business alone is tough. You need a strong team that shares your vision and can help you achieve it. Ratan Tata Sir said the same thing. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. Jack's success with Alibaba is direct result of his ability to pick the right people for his team and empower them to work. So whether it's co-founder, mentor or employee, surround yourself with the people who trust in your vision. Bring their unique skills to the table and challenge you to work hard. Alright guys, those are the dates from some of the most inspiring entrepreneurs. So what are you going to do with them? Remember, it's not about learning these tips. It's about putting them into an action. Whether you are inspired by Ratan Tata's third big vision picture or Elon Musk's fail fast and learn fast mindset, it's time to start building your empire. Let me know in the comment which tip resonated with you the most. And hey, if you are serious about your entrepreneur journey, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more insights. Until next time, dream big, build smart and rise high. Peace out.